Chevrolet just entered the adventure lifestyle market with something bold, the 2026 Motorhome Camper Truck. This isn't just a truck with a camper shell, it's a fully integrated vehicle designed for the modern road warrior. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Let's explore what Chevy brings to the table. Design. The design is impressively cohesive. Built on Chevy's heavy-duty truck platform, the motorhome section flows naturally from the cab, creating a unified silhouette rather than the typical bolted-on appearance. The exterior features durable composite panels, large panoramic windows, and integrated storage compartments. Inside the living area, you'll find a surprisingly spacious layout with a full kitchen, convertible dining space, a well-designed bathroom, and sleeping quarters that comfortably accommodate 4 adults. The interior materials strike a nice balance between durability and comfort, with modern finishes that don't feel cheap or plasticky. Performance. Under the hood, Chevy offers a powerful turbodiesel engine paired with a robust transmission designed to handle the weight. Towing capacity remains impressive even with the camper fully loaded, and the suspension has been specifically tuned for both on-road comfort and off-road capability. Fuel economy is reasonable for the class, and the chassis handles surprisingly well considering the size and weight. Features and technology. Technology integration is where this really shines. The cab features Chevy's latest infotainment system with navigation optimized for larger vehicles. The living area includes smart climate control, LED lighting throughout, solar panel capability, and a sophisticated water management system. There's ample power outlets, USB charging ports, and even an optional Starlink internet setup for true remote connectivity. Conclusion. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck represents a serious entry into the adventure vehicle segment. It's practical, well-equipped, and built for those who want to explore without compromise. What's your take on this new offering from Chevy? Share your thoughts in the comments, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more coverage of the latest vehicles. Safe travels.